Many things on the
Amaranth.
amaranthus you did?
Spinach.
Anything?
Corners.
Not, but the onions and your dill and your what are your some root crops?
Yeah. Root crop.
Yeah, your beetroot and garlic also possible, and your this thing your carrot because this is
Radish.
Radish.
yeah radish all these root crops. Okay, that kind of
and ginger also. Turmeric and ginger also.
yeah. That's a rhizome. You can plant that also because they like the little raised and the more soil collection area because there's a more soil now completely. It is very compact and that they like that kind of areas. You can make use of these hedges are very efficiently. Okay, but this is used for the a very cultural conventional way farmers do like this. They'll get the canal like this is a canal. They will letting water into the thing. It will flooding. Then they will stop it and they go into the next plot. Very common product across the India. Because by that I think vegetables okay, but they don't want to be in the water. What they do, grasses and your weeds will
Start coming up.
and your job is only weeding. Don't give much. Water is not needed. Less water is always better.
Pipes.
You can pipe also, you can do it. But flood irrigation normally. This is a very conventional way they do flooding. Nobody will use the pipe.
We can do it by a pipe.
You are a,
No, you suggest.
all urban and this kind of people, but to rural area,
No.
vegetable growers they never do pipe. They use the flood irrigation. Have you seen anywhere?
Yes.
Irrigate the vegetables. They don't water with the nice tamasha like overflow. They don't do it. They go and 100 acres, 50 acres, 20 acres, 30 acres, 2 acres, lot of things. Only 1 or 2 beds you put all these tamasha. But large scale they do all this. Otherwise now drip has come. Earlier it was only flood irrigation they were growing vegetables. Okay? So this is a, I think this another, you don't go for all this cardboard and all the tamasha again, the sheet mulch. Just what is the biomass it is there, just you bury, you make it deep of 6 inches. You bury with the biomass. Any kind of twigs and decomposed twigs and some leaf or grasses, anything, whatever is leftover material, you have to fill in the pit. On top of it, you put the soil and manure, you plant it. What happens? The roots, whatever the grasses in that, they don't dominate because this biomass will suppress. Even any grasses grows, when you pull out, easily it will come out because entire soil is loose. If the hard soil like this, what happens? No, it will break. The roots will be remain in the soil. Again next day, they'll show up. I am here. Are you okay?
Yes, sir.
So don't give that chance. Just don't do that kind of things. If you wanted to, your all spaces, small spaces, you can do that. At a large scale, there is a drip irrigation and your rain gauge, rain drip, and all those things are there. But small areas, if you want to raise like this, these are. But this is a very difficult to. This is the advantage of this, and this was different. You cannot operate. You can sit there. No? Always you make any bed, any
2 feet.
sunken bed. Maximum 1 meter is very conveniently you can add it. Otherwise, maximum 2 double reach. You can sit there, Vishnu. Yeah. This area excess. You cannot. What you do? You go. How much you do? Only one plot. By that time you go for a coffee. Huh? Otherwise you step in and you compact the soil. Single reach or double reach. But two sides if you want to operate, you have a space that is also yours, you can operate from there. But even though it's a very big, any plots, this kind of vegetable plots or raised beds, only single reach or double reach. But more than double reach, don't do it. Because I can access from outside or inside. I don't have a space outside, only
Single reach.
where you can reach. Did you see? These beds are much better. You can harvest. Next what? You can manure. You can weeding.
All the
Then watering.
Watering, anything.
Anything.
No issue.
More easily. Maximum you can reach. Reachable bed. Double reach is the that thing, if you have a place. So most of these things are very easy to manage, and the composting and some manure and some soil, aerated soil, you make much aerating. Don't use the soil from outside. I think this is your soil, I think much better. You make a compost, all rubble thing. Don't make a nice vermicompost. Whatever the compost you have, use it. But slowly it will decompose, it will give different kinds of thing, and you have to make use of these bunds. Did you see? And this is a for watering with the rose can. You know rose can? Initially rose can, because the plants are seeds are very young. So then you can use it hose pipe.
After how many days, sir?
Once it starts,
Germinating.
nothing will happen. Okay, after that you can mulch also like this. Once it is grow this side, you have to, if any weeds you think directly through that, and in between you have to take the fine metal, not this big one. The leaf, have you seen the Glycidia leaf and everything?
Yeah.
You can mulch in between. Did you see? Okay? Entire thing. So that is the,
Keep it.
a small scale you can do all these things. So after this, what I do after, you see, these are my pathway. The pathway is filled with lot of biomass. Have you noticed?
Yes.
All weeding material, any leftover material, and branches and leaf, you just fill this. Most of the time we have to suffer, all the grasses will grow here. If you keep it clean, don't mulch it, the grasses will dominate from here. Every day you don't come now. Once in 3-4 days you come and just harvest and go. But they are show up here more. Anyway, they are edges. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Edges. The growth energy will be more in the compared to than this area. There will be more edges are there. More growth will happen here. All grasses. You can go anywhere you see. What they do? Weeding. Your entire life is how much you eat vegetables. I don't know. Your life is only weeding and weed out. Okay. So what I do after once this now is the soil is loose, no?
Yes.
When you are planting, you
Loose.
or compact or loose.
Loose.
No? So after 1 or 2 years, 1 year it will become compact. Why? Because of the
Continuous
watering and also weight of the soil will become more compact. So what you need to do, just what I do next year, I will take half portion of it, I will put it on it.
Okay.
Already? Did you see?
Go better. Nice.
Rice bed.
This will become a nutrition for that. Then this will become pathway. When you put the both sides will be raised bed will be happen on the these pathways. Lot of cushion will already started. Lot of biomass is there. Lot of carbon content is there. Definitely it will grow much better. Then after that you can again. So this is only need not to move everywhere. Just only
Here and there.
by disturbing soil. Every year you are not doing. Once in 2 years, 1 year, 1 year. But not every time. Only hardly you have to do. While doing this, the soil is getting aerated. And you have seen different shape. Don't go straight. You take whatever the shape you like it. The east-west direction. This is my east. Okay. Any zigzag, meandering, whatever the pattern. Got it? So simpler. This is what we are. The most of our energy will go with the watering and weeds, particularly the vegetables. So if you control, if you mitigate, if you manage the weeds, I think you are definitely enjoy by whatever the vegetables you are eating. Otherwise, we'll be busy. You are busy with that only. You don't do any other work. Got it? Any doubt? What vegetables and that's up to you. But a lot of things will also start growing in this because in the compost there are some weeds. In manure there are some weeds. Most of them are edible. What you planted 3-4 varieties. Other fellows will come there, show up, nicely edible. You harvest them also. Don't put only one French bean. No. You have to mix number of things while you are harvesting also. Take multiple things and multiple cooking, multiple digestion. Okay? If you grow one by one also possible, but when you harvesting all put together you can cook. Okay, here is the greens are there, herbs are there, vegetables are there, climbers are there, creepers are there. Number of things. Okay, climbers they can, or the climbers they need support. That's why they planted near the trees because once it grows little higher, you can give some support of one thread or one branch. Right. They'll take over. Creepers always they creep on ground. Vines they go on top of the trees. Okay. They have their own patterns, how to where to go. Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So for these 2 beds, did we dig it under the surface like 6 inches?
For both the beds.
Yeah, both the beds. But this is not needed. This is I raised it. Two methods. If you have biomass, you can do that. Easily you can uproot anything is comes, and a lot of that will decompose after 1 or 2 months. That will become nutrition. You need not to put much manure. Once it is done, I think that biomass is there. Have you seen the semi-decomposed material I put it? Lot of mycelium was there. They decompose very faster. All the leaf, whatever the leaf I got it from the under the tree, lot of mycelium was there. That will become a nutrition for the immediately available for the soil. So this I dug little. This actually I do little 6 inches high. Once it is decomposed, the below the bottom layer it will go ground level. If you do this, it will become a sunken.
Right.
Because we put all the soil on the biomass, the leaves. Did you understand?
Yes.
There is not that scope. We didn't fill the biomass. Only the manure on top of it will sheet mulch.
Yes.
Okay. Otherwise, you cover put soil. In the soil, you can plant it also. Soil, dig, put some soil, and then put the sheet mulch.
Yeah.
Then you soil and manure you plant. Purpose is to suppress the weeds. Also, this is also pulp material is going to the ground. It's not a plastic. It's biodegradable.
Yeah.
Let it go. Nice. This you see the pulp material is come from tree only.
Yeah.
But that is little think what paper you are using. This I like these cotton boxes. Your urban people every nice
Amazon.
Amazon. I know that is a Whirlpool washing machine. Big bowl.
Laminated cardboard.
Do it. Okay.
Okay.
You get a lot of material. You can don't throw it out. You use it, soak it, and you spread it and you plant it. Not every time you don't buy, but what are the cotton boxes? Otherwise, you have a nice party one day. All the kingfisher you can do. Recycle those cotton boxes.
So when to
Anyway.
add this biomass or compost is this 1 year or